Hello everyone. In this Microsoft Word tips and tricks, today we are going to learn how to use multiple clicks. If you are using these tricks, it will increase efficiency while working on a Microsoft Word. While working on Microsoft Word, if you want to select a particular word, we are going to click and drag that particular word. So this is the usual practice. So any word, just click and drag. So this we are using for a long time. But there is a trick where if you click 2 times on any word, that word going to be selected. That is double click any word, that word going to be selected. That is double click. So if you are using this trick, it will be easy while working Microsoft Word. Suppose you want to select an entire paragraph. So the usual practice is clicking and dragging. Clicking from beginning to end of that particular paragraph. But there is a trick here. If you click on any word 3 times, the entire paragraph going to be selected. That is triple click on any word for selecting entire paragraph. So you need to click 3 times on any word in that particular paragraph. The whole paragraph going to be selected. This feature also increases our efficiency and saves lot of time. That is triple click. And the last feature is how to select the sentence. So the usual practice is clicking from the beginning to the end of the sentence. But again there is a trick here. For this you need to keep pressing Control key and click on touchpad or mouse. So the entire sentence will be selected. So click in any word while keep pressing Control key. Control plus click. The whole sentence going to be selected. So these are the multiple clicks tricks. If you use these tips while working on a Microsoft Word, it will increase the speed and efficiency while working on a Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.